Here's Forrest and Willow. Oh, I love you both. I fed the birds. I ate a surprise today. It was fish. I've never served fish before. And they loved it. Did you love it or what? They want more. Well, I have three locations for you. You just gotta go get them. Gotta go get the fish, okay? I love you. Love you, Willow. Did you find more? Yeah, I give them a whole bunch of fish. And raspberries and strawberries. Corn on the cob. And cake. Look at you two. Look how cute you are. Oh, come here. Come here, honey. I want to pet you. Can I pet you? You're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love their beaks. Come here. Forrest. Willow. Yeah. Okay. Forrest, Willow. I'm gonna follow you. Oh, okay, you got food in your mouth. Okay. They want more food, but I don't know why they're not finding the other fish. Come here, baby. Are you upset with me? Come here. Come here, honey. They're upset. They usually don't scold me like this. I think they want more fish, but I left you guys a whole bunch of fish. You should have some more. Yeah. Come here, baby. There's fish right by the tree over there. Forrest, why are you upset, honey? Why are you upset? Did somebody eat all the fish? I'll have to go look at it. And Forrest, listen. If they eat all the fish, I'll make more, okay? Oh, you're hungry. Oh. You want me to cook you more? Forrest, are you hungry? Do you want more fish? You want more fish, baby? Yeah, I think he's hungry. I think the other birds got to the fish. Okay, I'm gonna go make some more fish, okay? Okay, baby? Come here. Come here. Okay, yeah, they don't have much patience. They're hungry.